She'd come out here. I'm trying to get some footage of him getting ready to snap this tree. What is that? And it's starting to snow too. I don't know about that one, brother. So you gonna try to get over there in the dirt. So, yeah, pretty good. He got the truck across the street. We're gonna get an up close shot though for y'all. We'll go to the front of the house. It's the new trailer, so y'all know. Big old upgrade from where we was. Still moving in. Excuse the missus. She always fussing. You see my puppies laying down. A lot more space, y'all. A lot more space. Still cleaning out from the other people. Just so y'all know. But I gotta go outside and watch this man. Matter of fact, I gotta start my truck up because I'm gonna have to go to the store anyway. So give me a second, y'all. You know what I mean? Y'all see my old trailer right there, right? Still my trailer. My son actually has it. So yeah, let me start the beast up. We low on gas. That good at the gas station. I get it from outside. Ooh. Wait a minute, y'all. Coffee up there. Trying to straighten. You see, this is all their stuff that they. Oh, my bad. I'm showing y'all my face. This is all they left. Look, y'all. We got the Chinook. Y'all don't see it. It's crazy. Look at that. All this stuff down in here. It's all scrap. I even got more scrap in the house. But yeah, trying to turn some heat on. It's chilly out here. The show. The past couple of days, we had some nice days. But yeah, we gonna watch this man snatch this tree. Think you gonna get it? You think you gonna get it? You just gonna break it halfway. You gonna break it halfway. Up there where the chain at, you think that's where it's gonna snap at?
You think it's gonna what?
I said you think it's gonna snap right there where the chain at?
No, what I wanna do is I'm gonna pull ahead with the truck. I'm gonna put tension on it, so I make sure it goes that way. So I'll get it to where it's just about ready to snap, and get in the truck and.
Yeah, that's why I was looking. I was like, oh shit, he already snapped that bitch in half.
No, it's just
trying to pull it all the way out.
I want to make sure it goes that way, not over the shed, not over the house.
I said, ooh, I got video of that. I ain't never seen nobody snatch.
This is
you trying to get rid of all the bad trees along the edge.
This will be 9 or 10 since yesterday.
Yeah, and I already saw you cutting trees down at by.
I've got more to cut down there.
Yeah,
I got trees all over.
Because it's a lot of dead trees, and you got to go across the whole.
Well, and I've been telling. Well, we're coming down with another truck and a trailer. We're going to get.
I sent Joanne pictures. I mean, Justine pictures when it fell over there. And the guy who does it, because had him call me.
Yeah.
He said, make sure you send pictures to Justine so that way she can tell us to cut them down.
Same with this shed.
Yeah, I told her about it.
Does that need patch? I can put a bag over it with some tree limbs. I'll get that after I get this one.
Yeah, I told her that the tree fell in the yard when I was out here fixing my tire and stuff because I'm moving shit in and out. Yeah, I told her. Yeah, but I told her about it. Let her know. You know what I mean? She was like, fine, thanks for letting me know.
Garbage bag, and I'll cut some of these limbs up and put over it so they can get in the patch. When that'll be.
Right.
Like I said, I'm just in the middle.
I know.
I just do what I'm supposed to do.
I know, and now I'm glad that they actually saying now, snatch them down. Cut them down, because they falling, and we ain't done with the tornadoes right now.
I think that's what hit here yesterday.
Yeah, it did. It did. I was literally.
I was up. I had to go up for a blood test up at Richmond yesterday.
Yeah.
And you know where the golf course is up there?
Yep.
When you come to the intersection, right there at the golf shores, and whatever road that is coming down, there's 2 huge pine trees there.
And they fell.
And they're big. There's a beautiful house right behind it. And they fell jointly together by the roots. The ground is still around the
I
trees.
watched that on the news actually today.
Oh, was that on there?
Yeah, it was on the news where the whole ground came up. And it's laying across their house.
It's as big as your truck, the ground part.
Yeah, as long as the fucking truck. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they was bad. Tornadoes, they hit everywhere. Yep. And we had one that came through here, but glad it didn't hit as hard. Yeah, it was just enough to snap the ones that was ready.
Double wide down there.
It hit that double wide down there on the other street?
I had to cut a tree off of that like this.
Damn, I didn't see that one yesterday.
Yeah, well, it's between the back, you wouldn't.
Oh, okay.
So
because I rode through.
I'm going to watch that real good.
Yeah.
What you have to watch on these leaners, they don't come back on you.
Yeah.
And I got just about killed 3 years ago. Bro.
Yeah, I was watching you cut him. I said, man, he better make sure that motherfucker don't fall that direction. But yeah, I'm watching though. I want to see it. I ain't never seen nobody snatch the tree out the ground. Right, I watched the truck go through a shed. Y'all hear sputtering? She talking to me. Y'all heard what he said. He gonna give it a good old snatch. Come on, let's cut you off for a sec. Cut you back on. There we go. There we go. I want to see this shit. Oh, gotta watch my tree break. I think we'd be good. He gonna pull it that way. When he pull it that way, that's how it's gonna go. Let's check this out though, y'all. Check it out. We gotta check the gas. Yeah, I got enough. We got enough. Oh, he gonna nick it a little bit so that way it'll break. Okay, now I see. Give it a little nick. Yeah. There's some heat blowing. I'm talking about. This is how they do it, evidently. When you want to snatch the tree out, try to get it as low as possible. And you got the chain up high. It should fall that direction. And then you're gonna pull it out the road. Right now, a lot of the trees that's in my park has to be cut down. So, that's what's going on today. Yesterday, he cut like 9 trees down. You know, after that wind came through, they were like, yeah, look, we gotta get rid of that, them old trees. So, therefore, that's what he's processing doing, is cutting that tree. Yeah, he gave it a nice little nick. And there. Yeah. Cutting it out. Hoping, at least he hoping that he got it right. The chainsaw in the truck on his way around. Give it a little tug. There you go. Wow. There you go. Pulled that boy. Snap that boy. He did the damn. He broke that motherfucker right out. Yeah. Snatched that boy. Shoo! Yeah. Yeah, it went exactly the way you wanted it to do it. Hell yeah. He got lucky, y'all. He got lucky. Let me run in his crib real quick. And then I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Maybe we got something more exciting to check out. Look at all the trees that fell.
I see it. Right here.
Right here at the mailbox, y'all.
Got the electric thing right there.
Yeah. That's crazy. Aftermath of the trees falling. And he had to cut them down so they wouldn't break no more. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, cut all these trees down. Yeah, he gonna cut all these down. He said he gotta come through and cut all these trees.
You probably ain't fucking with that down there because they ain't here now.
You see over there cutting. You over there doing something?
Yeah, I think it's got me doing something.
Oh, yeah, man. It's crazy. Trees up in there falling. Look at all the trees. Look at all that. Crazy.
Oh, there's the big tree that fell here. He said he hit the back of this one.
Yeah, he said it fell off and hit the back of the double wide right here. There it is, right there. You see it fell and then it came down over here. Door blew off. And down in here is fine. Surprised nothing fell over in her yard. I'm surprised none of these fell. They fell, those fell into the woods. That's a good thing right there. Oh, yeah, those all fell. They're in the woods. That's some lucky wood trees. These people lucky right here. Aftermath. Look, we ain't got no trees in the shed no more. That's a good thing. Yeah, they gonna fix the hole from the shed.
I wonder if they're gonna put it in that goes on like a broken roof and that
I don't know. I think they're gonna try to patch it.
whatever.
Just fix it. That's all I want. Just fix it. So, this your boy CeeLo on Smoking Metal Car Fun. That's the end of this episode. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.